Are you ready to make $1M in 2025? This guide breaks down proven strategies to achieve your financial goals. Step 1, the first step is finding a niche that's profitable and scalable. Market research helps in identifying high-demand areas. Step 2, build a professional online presence through a website and active social media. Create engaging content to resonate with your audience. Step 3, use digital marketing strategies like SEO, paid ads, and email marketing to drive traffic and engagement. Step 4, focus on scalable business models like dropshipping and SaaS to increase revenue without a time commitment. Step 5, invest in automation and outsourcing of repetitive tasks to free up time for strategic decisions. Step 6, reinvest profits for growth, ensuring sufficient cash flow to support necessary investments. Step 7, network with successful entrepreneurs and mentors to gain insights and avoid pitfalls on your path to success. Step 8, track performance through analytics and KPIs to optimize focus and resources continuously. Step 9, scale by diversifying your income with new products or markets to reach your $1 target faster. Step 10, stay consistent and resilient. Building a $1 business takes time and the ability to bounce back. Making $1 in 2025 is achievable with the right mindset. Follow this roadmap and start taking action today.